Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, welcome my vlog. Nandito tayo sa Centrum at nagagala-gala kami ng jowa. Sa Benicassim pa rin kami. Benicassim, ayan yung Centrum. Fiesta pa rin sa kanila until now. 1 week, diba? Sabi ko nga. At galing tayo sa market. At pupunta tayo dahil magko-coffee daw ang jowa o magdi-drinks. Tara, let's. Matig na. Aggressive nila mag-drive. Ang mga Espanyol, aggressive mag-drive. Meron ng sitrapat para ng mga Pilipino. May sitrapat na, hindi pa rin tumitigil. Diba? That's where we go? The one we drink also?
No, bro.
Hindi nga't malayo yun. Yes, we are in the Centrum of Benicassim. Dito na tayo sa coffee. They have latte macchiato. Wala na daw silang coffee. At ginagawa. Ang sabi. Sabi ni Kuya. So ano tayo? Sa kabila. Other side maybe. Yeah, there, they have a sitting debate. Sitting debate. There, by near in the basura. That's a coffee spot, you know. Coffee shop, okay. Yeah? Outside. Yes? Good, open. Open, ayaw niya dito, yan o. Biyaan mo siya. Ayaw ng jowa. Ang mga bahayan, ang ganda, simple lang, pero concrete talaga. Grabe, introvert sila. Dahil sa labas, meron pa rin talagang pambabaan. Cashier. Winkelstraat, this one? This one is going to shopping mall, shopping area. Ang ganda na Espanya. Diyos ko, naka-short pa rin kami. Ako naka-chinelas pa rin. Sunog na. Short ang jowa, Korte Broek ang tawag dyan sa the Netherlands. Dito tayo, walking on the street.
Ja, omdat voor mij naar links gaat, heb je ook een terras. Dat bedoel ik.
Where?
En dan up.
They have what?
Een dik terras. Met ook geen koffie. Escena, Sala de Exposición. Oh, they have a plaza, Miranda. It's a church? Oh, it's a kirk. This is where we've been also. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's the nail. Yeah. Nice, I say, mga kamimay, this is Contado coffee. It's like it's do with yourself, DIY. I said with the ice, they don't get me. They just give me. They 2 times already that happened to me, right? They just give me ice. And then I put this one here. Wrong level. Different city, different rules. Different country. Nag-order kami ng longganisa. No, it's okay. Gracias. Ng longganisa with pimiento. Yeah. Vale,
lekker. Muchas gracias. Vale.
Wat anders dan met patatas fritas.
Anong eksena dito, Day?
makachismis tayo dahil. Anong eksena dahil? Anong meron dahil? Kailangan mo pumasok sa loob. Anong meron? Ayan oh. Kasi festival sila dahil. Hindi ko alam kung anong eksena sa loob. Oh. Ang daming tao nag-aabang. Abangers. Ayan na, ayan na. Ayan na, ayan na, ilalabas na. Ano ilalabas? Ayan na, napak ng joke. Hindi ko alam. Maka-isyoso tayo kung anong ganap. Anong ganap noon? Maka-isyoso tayo. Gusto ko makita. Toro? Toro ata mga kami may toro. Toro show. Ayan dyan oh. First time natin makikita ito dahil. Ayan oh. Grabe. Kakatakot. Ang torohan. Ayan na, ayan na. Oh my God. Oh, yun na nga. Ayun. Oh. Oh, shit. Ayun na lumabas. Ayaw niya lumabas. Ayun, nagpapahabon. Nagpapahabon. Ay! Oh! Shit, ang dami nila. Ay, ang dami. Ayun na, ayun. 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 Tumahabon. Nagpapahabon. We kite here. In arena. They will go in here. Ayan, oh, this is the toro. Ayan, oh, kite. Ayan, oh. Wow. This is the toro. Toro show. Ah, bumalik siya doon. Ayun, ayun. Ayun, bumalik. Ayun. Ayun, ayun. Ayun, bumalik sila. Ay, shit! Ay! Ay, shit. Ayun, ayun, ayun. Natakbo. Ayun. Ay! Grabe nga palang hindi na ako nakakita. Exciting. Nasaan na? Ayun na. Ayun na, ayun na. Oh, wow. Grabe. Ibang level. Ayun ang puwet. Ayan, Arriba ang puwet. Ayan. Arriba, Arriba, Arriba. Andale. Ayan, oh. Papahabol talaga sila, dahil. First time. Toruhan. Sorry. Jowa, oh. Enjoy na enjoy. You want to go there? Give garlic, yeah.
Hij kan daar ook van doorheen.
Nakakatakot, dahil. First time I watched this. You too? How the feelings? How's the feelings?
Yeah, it's actually more relaxed than you think.
This, sorry mga kamimay, this there are traditional way. Since we're not here in the earth, I'm not in the earth, still traditional way nila. Maaalis na, yung sinasabi nilang animal cruelty, yeah. Ay, they're going inside na. Side. Nasa taas na sila. This not expected. Oh my God. No, I don't like here, Scott. We go out. I don't like. I want moving.
Let's go bowling. I don't like Beneden.
For the invalide, dit.
Yeah, well, I didn't be standing. And this is exciting. Magbarino-barinuhan. Here. We can go. Scott. Mayor. Si Mayor.
Hey, kun je de arena nog in, hè?
Punta tayo dito. Is that trap, oh? Boven?
Maar eigenlijk ging dit ook fijn, niet op de schaduw. Heb je dit gebeurde?
Yeah. Yeah, here. And here near in the trap. Tayo mga kamimay. Panoodin natin yan. Ayan na! Excited! Grabe, oh. Ganito pala. This is the scenario. Yan na, Scott. Scott, that one. Careful, ha? Scott. I'm scary. Ayun na siya. Ayun. Toro. Uy! Scott! Oh my God. So aggressive. Ayan na siya, Scott. Ayan na. Maybe they want to jump, ha? Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Grabe, ayan na siya, ayan na. Galit talaga siya, ang laway, oh. Kakaawa. Oh my God, oh. Ja.
Hey, die komt er echt wel op, hoor.
Ay! Takbo pa more. Pagod siya, Day. Boom.
Uitgedaagd, hoor.
Yeah, another one is coming. Oh, wow. Woo! Palakpakan. Wala man lang palakpakan. Hey, hey.
But I like the way
When we
they do
see
it
in
now.
Valencia, they have like this, but that's in the stadium. But this is like because of the fiesta, their tradition.
Yeah, but it's different, huh? Because in the arena, they need to kill the...
Oh, after?
Yeah, well, during the fight,
My
they
God.
will wound it, and then we'll get more aggressive. But here, it's just a play, and then the bull is going back into the cage that they put.
Yeah.
It's like a play between the matadors.
This is their traditions,
Yeah.
but still, animals cruelty. I'm so sorry for that to show up, but we are here not to show up like that. We are here to embrace their traditional. But it's up to you guys, diba? Tradition po nila to mga kamemay. The first time natin makikita ito in Kamemay history vlog. Diba? Nasa Espanya tayo, Day. Yung makikita lang natin dati, ngayon makikita na natin in person. Matador. Yun yung mga tawag sa kanila, mga matador. Nagpapahabol sila mga kamemay. Yan na, oh. Talaga yung paa, tinan nyo yung paa, oh. Talagang, galit siya, Day. Papahabol talaga siya. Ayan na!
Galit talaga siya. Galit na galit. Gusto makawala, oh. O yun, oh. Oh! Wow! Terek, yeah. Wow.
Everyone is allowed to challenge you, huh?
Yeah, that's why you're in Beneden. Oh, shit.
Marcos, arrímate. No pasa nada.
Oh, wow. Ay! 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 Oh! Woo! Oh, shit. Paa. Oh, wow. Oh. Yung sungay, oh. Grabe, ang ganyan. Aakyat siya dahil. Are you scared? I'm scared. Ayan na! Wow! Woo! Woo! Woo!
Wow.
Hysteric.
Respect to the...
Yeah. Grabe, nakita niyo yon? Live show.
Yeah.
Only in Kami May's vlog.
You record that one, huh?
Yes. Yan, oh. Ooh! Live show only in Kami May's vlog here in España, Matadores, in Benicassim, Spain. Diba? Grabe. Yun, oh, papahabol sila dahil. Oh, wow! Oh, wow. Oh. Yeah. Ano na? Ayan na, ayan na. Woo! Madre Pio. Ah!
Wow. The last red.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Wow.
Grabe, oh. Sira na yung ano, nasira na. Sira. Yan na siya. Pagod siya. Papahabol siya dahil. Ayun, oh. Get ready, one. After this. Nice.
Ja, verwacht het zo weer weg.
At least they are not hurting the, nagpapahabol lang sila. Hindi nila sinasaktan yung animal. Diba? Kaso papahabol lang talaga sila. Eh, toro yan eh, bull yan eh. Siyempre, talaga mabangis. Ayan ang character ng bull. Diba? Oh. Pa may mga sugat siya dahil. Pero malakas siya, oh. Yan na, oh. Papahinga siya. He wants to get rest.
Ja.
En then boom.
Wat doe je dan met je man? Jullie vervelen mij.
Hindi siya habulin.
Staat er beneden.
Yeah. Na, dalawa na sila, day. Manda kayo, day. Dalawa na sila. Ang laki ng isa. Yeah, they go also.
I already know where they're at.
Woo! Congratulations! Umalis na tayo. Dito na tayo sa Face. Scotch, eh. Yung Face. Oh, Happy Fiesta! Happy Fiesta! Happy Fiesta! Woo! Happy Fiesta! Fiesta! Basilicum. Ano? Basilico. Basilico. Happy Fiesta! Fiesta dito, day. Panalang pagpunta namin dito. Super Fiesta! Diba? May podium. Ang podium nila, oh. Mamayang gabi yan. Where we go? Here, this way? Yeah, we can go there, oh. Yeah, come there. Let's go. Kami ay babalik na sa aming sasakyan. At tayo ay magbe-beach today ako. Ang jowa baka siya ay mag-swim, mag-bike. So, let's go!
Hé schat, hoe was de zee? Huh? Ja, jammer hè?
Yeah, it's better. But
Ja?
the water,
Heb jij gezwommen?
yeah, the water is just in the.
Oh, wauw, wauw, wauw.
But when you up to the water,
Oh,
because no have sun.
dat is jammer hè?
I can go sweat.
Wauw, wauw.
A while ago, it's windy. My
Oh. Oh ja, 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 je hebt alles weer hè? Je broek,
and
parasol.
how's your bicycle?
Ja, geweldig, wat leuk. Echt heel leuk.
Did you enjoy?
Ja, echt heel erg.
Yeah, important.
I will show you later.
Important is
Ja, precies. En jij ook hè?
Oh yes, dinner time. It's 9 o'clock. Meron kaming mineral agua grande. Ang kanyang alcohol fry. Kumuha kami ng appetizer, salad. Oh, ang jowa. At ako din, salad yan. With matching. Very nice. Sarap. Nabangan sa ng konti. Angat natin ng konti. Para makita nyo ang aking pagkain. Meron siyang pipino. Meron siyang kesong puti. Diba? Meron siyang buto. Appetizer muna ako. Then after nito, kuha ko ng soup.
Nou, niet slecht. Voor €3 heb ik de auto nog een beetje schoon gekregen.
Wat €3?
Voor de washing.
Ah, so it's clear.
Ja,
Pumunta
but
siya kasi ganyan sa
not
ano.
all. It was very so dirty. I could not get off everything more.
What do you do? Only the...
Yeah, there's no brush, so I can only spray the water.
But it's still dirty.
Yeah, and the roof is not completely clear, but I put some polish so when you look from a distance it looks clean.
Nugasan niya kasi sa akin namin. Puro Sahara.
Yeah.
Buhangan.